Are you experiencing difficulties in auto part production because you're losing cost competitiveness due to low productivity? KwangMyeong Industry's pipe chamfering machinery has high productivity rate because it can simultaneously process various types of pipes on both sides, easily and quickly. It is more affordable and economical than CNC processing. You can resolve complicated and diverse auto pipe part production problems with KwangMyeong Industry's pipe chamfering machinery. The auto inspection device minimizes defect rate. It is highly precise because it corrects measurements automatically. It uses two right-left slide servo NC motors that allow individual adjustments of slides on both extremes, making it possible to manufacture products where both sides are of different sizes and shapes. Running on an entirely automatic system, it increases efficiency and productivity without wasting material or manpower. KwangMyeong Industry is making it happen for you. KwangMyeong Industry Company.